Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use JS Timeline. You will be using JS Timeline to create a visually appealing web embeddable timeline of the events that you are studying. This is an example of what JS Timeline looks like. You will be able to enter a picture credit, a picture caption, a headline, and some text to describe your headline. Let's see how it works. You will have received a link to a shared Google Sheet. Google Sheets, in case you haven't played with them, are very similar to Microsoft's Excel. Your Google Sheet will look something like this. In order to add an entry to your timeline, you will use the following procedure. In the A, B, C, and D columns of the spreadsheet, you will add the year, month, day, and time, if applicable, of your event in the timeline. So for this example, I am going to add 2019, October 7th, and I'm going to leave time blank. In columns E, F, G, and H, you add the end, year, month, day, and time, if applicable. If your event is just something that kind of generally happened in a particular month, you can just go ahead and put the same year and month that you did in columns A and B. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 2019, 10, 7 again, just to show that this particular pretend event happened on one day only. In column J, you'll put your headline. For my event, I'm going to put Downtown Danville. Under text, this is where you will enter any information about the story that happened on this date. So I might enter something like, in this image we can see what downtown Danville looked like in 2019 during the Center College Bicentennial. Okay. In column L, you will put a link to any picture that you want to add to the timeline. To add pictures to the timeline, you will be using Flickr. To upload a picture to the Flickr account that has been shared with you, you will click on the Upload button, click on Choose Videos to Upload, Videos and Photos to Upload, click on the picture you would like to upload, and then click on Upload One Photo, and click Upload. When you're finished, your photo will appear in the photo stream. You will want to click on the photo and then click on the Share Photo button. Copy the share link and then paste that link in the L column. Under Media Credit, put the name of whoever owns the photo. And under Media Caption, enter an appropriate caption. And that's all there is to it. You don't need to make any changes past column N. Another question you might have is, suppose that your event takes place in a year before 2019. Do you have to worry about getting all the events in order? You don't. If I came here and put in an event that happened in 1985 to 1986, you'll see that when we go and preview the timeline, you'll see that it automatically arranges all of the events in chronological order. So let's see what the timeline actually looks like. If you go to the timeline link that has been shared with you after adding material to the spreadsheet and click refresh, you will see your additions. This is the first sample page, as we saw before. Here is the first sample entry. Here is the entry that I put in apparently out of order that has been chronologically ordered for me. And here is the event that I entered. You can see here my headline, my text description, the date I entered, the photo credit, and the photo caption. And that's all there is to using JS Timeline.